This is Ravi Singh over here. I have come here once again with airstrike practice set. Guys, without wasting your time, let's start now. My friends, you are just looking on this mobile screen. Read the flowing passage and answer the questions. Man is the architect of his own fate. He makes a proper division of this time. I hope you read this passage. You are looking first question, who spoils a man's life? Absolutely. From the passage sentence first, second and third, it is clear indication that man himself spoils his life. So right answer will be C, option number C, man himself. Okay, number second हम लोग यहाँ देखेंगे. In order to prosper in life, man should make best use of. So right answer will be B from this passage. And it is clear that man should make best use of time. जीवन में समृद्ध होने के लिए मनुष्य को समय का सर्वोत्तम उपयोग करना चाहिए. Okay, number third, the best time of train our minds is. So right answer will be D, option number D, youth. Fourth is clear indication that the best time to train our mind is youth. हमारे मन की प्रशिक्षित ट्रेन करने का सबसे अच्छा समय युवा है. ये नंबर 4, fill in the blanks with correct preposition. Preposition यहाँ चूज करना है आपको. I'm confident, fill in the blanks, winning. So right answer will be preposition of, option number B, confident follows of preposition. जीतने का मुझे विश्वास है. I'm confident of winning. Number 5, he hindered me, fill in the blanks, doing this. So right answer will be A, option number A, from. He hindered me from doing this. उसने मुझे यह करने से रोक दिया. नंबर 6, fill in the blanks with correct option. यहाँ ऑप्शन चूज करना है आपको. fill in the blanks of them is bad. So neither of them is bad. उनमें से कोई भी बुरा नहीं है, सभी अच्छे हैं. नंबर 7, fill in the blanks with correct form of verbs. The first world war, fill in the blanks, in 1914. So right answer will be B, begin. The first world war began in 1940. मैं बता दूं प्रथम विश्व युद्ध 1914 से शुरू हुआ. नंबर 8 हम लोग यहाँ कवर करेंगे. fill in the blanks with correct conjunction. He is no other, fill in the blanks, my brother. So right answer will be D, option number D, than. He is no other than my brother. वह मेरे भाई के अलावा अन्य नहीं है, दूसरा नहीं है. Number 9, which is an adverb in the following sentence? He was sitting close beside him. इस सेंटेंस में adverb को चूज करना है. So right answer will be B, option number B, close. वह उसके पास बगल में बैठी थी. Number 10, what is the correct transformation of sentence? The news is too good to be true. So right answer will be D, option number D. The news is so good that it cannot be true. Number 11, Delhi is cooler than Patna. दिल्ली पटना से कूलर है, इसके लिए हम ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन करेंगे. सो राइट आंसर विल बी ए, ऑप्शन ए, पटना इज नॉट सो कूल एज दिल्ली. नंबर 12, मैन अ मैन, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, डन सो. सो राइट आंसर विल बी सी, ऑप्शन नंबर सी, हैज़. मैनी अ मैन हैज़ डन सो. बहुत से लोगों ने ऐसा किया है. नंबर 13, इधर ही और आई, fill in the blank, mistaken. So right answer will be B, option number B, either he or I am mistaken. Number 14, the word similar in meaning to unoccupied is. So right answer will be D, option D, vacant, रिक्त, खाली. Number 15, the antonym of agree. Agree means राजी, सहमत. The opposite meaning word from the given option is differ, D-I-F-F-E-R, differ, असहमत. 16, pick out the suitable prefix. Order. Prefix means part of word used before the word to gives a complete meaning. So right answer will be C, option number C, disorder. Number 17, which is the correctly spelled word? The correctly spelled word is omission. which is in option number B. So right answer will be B, option B, omission. Number 18, what is the indirect narration of the following? He said, I have seen this man. उसने कहा कि मैं इस आदमी को देखा हूँ. So right answer will be option number D. He said that he had seen that man. Number 19, identify the part of a speech of the underlined word. I heard of this only yesterday. Here underlined part only will be called adverb because yesterday is also an adverb. So right answer will be A, option number A. Number 20, next and last, what is the passive voice of flowing? She teaches us English. So एक्टिव से पैसिव में आपको चेंज करना है. सो राइट आंसर विल बी सी, ऑप्शन नंबर सी, वी आर टॉट इंग्लिश बाई हर. So okay guys, I hope you like and enjoy this video with me. So thank you, thanks for watching this video.